Hi guys, welcome back. I have a super simple Mother's Day DIY for you. I'm showing you my Go Ask Dad Mom's drinking coffee mug, really appropriate. I'm doing two different teacup crafts. These are both super simple, great for Mother's Day and great as gifts year round. I didn't buy these teacups for this project. I already had them. I can tell you wherever I got them, it was probably the Goodwill. They cost under $1. These are very affordable. This first project I'm doing is a pin cushion, really cute. I'm using this scrap of fabric. I already had it. I didn't buy anything special for these projects. They were super cheap, free really. So I have this extra fabric. I just put a little bit of stuffing into it. I approximated to make sure the ball I'm making is about the size of my teacup. I'm tying it up with one of my daughter's hair ties. Like I said, I used all stuff I had already. And then you just want to cut off your excess. I had quite a bit of fabric balled up here, so this is going to take me a little bit of time, but not difficult at all. So trim off your excess, and like I said, this is really affordable. You can make both these projects, this pin cushion and the next project is a little teacup fairy garden. You can make both of them using stuff you have around the house. I love that kind of project. Use up what you have. This is also great because both of these projects are going to be perfect for kids to make. You can help your child make a Mother's Day gift for your mother, for grandma, for an aunt, any special lady in your life. So once you've got that cut off, I actually had to retie mine, so I tied it back up together, and then you're going to just put it inside the cup. You could stop there. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue inside the cup just because I don't want the cushion to move around when you pull the pins in and out. But super simple, just a few lines of hot glue. You could skip the hot glue if you wanted, especially if you wanted to be able to reuse the teacup. But just a little bit of hot glue, put your cushion right in there, and then stick in some pins and you're good to go. This is great for a lady who likes to sew. This would be such a pretty little accessory on a desk, on a craft table. I know we all have ladies in our lives that like to sew. I know I do. So what a creative way to get those pins stored, and it's attractive too, right? I think any mom or grandma or aunt would absolutely love this as a gift. So sweet and pretty. The next project we're going to do, like I said, it's that fairy garden. Oh, I absolutely love this teacup. I love the little butterflies. I thought that would be good for a fairy garden. I'm using this Spanish moss. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is a great place for floral materials like this. It's a little bit messy of a material, but it works great for little garden projects like this. So just, you want to put a bit of that into the bottom of your teacup. I'm trying to clean up as I go. So put that right in there, and then we're going to decorate it. And you can decorate these little fairy gardens however you want. I'm going to use these little twigs that I got from outside, and then I'm going to make a little banner, a little paper banner, tiny miniature size for a fairy garden, and it's going to say Mom. So I'm just cutting out 3 little triangles and I'm going to write my letters in. Fairy gardens are so trendy right now, aren't they? You see them everywhere. And it's so easy to make your own. This is great if you have a lady in your life who is a gardener, who has a pretty patio maybe. That's a great place to show these off. This would be cute by like the kitchen sink where you keep your soap. Really charming. I'm using just a little piece of string, and then I'm going to attach my little banner pieces using tape. I don't mind tape. You could also use glue if you wanted. I just didn't want any messy materials for this project. So I'm making my little banner, and then I'm going to tie this onto my branches. So the branches are going to be branches. They're not branches. I mean, the little twigs in the cup are going to be like my little post holders. So I'm going to tie that on, and then I'm going to stick in some little decorations. This would be perfect, like I said, for kids to do because they could use whatever little items that they have, maybe little seashells that they've collected, little toys that they love. They can really make it special. And I put Mom on my banner, but you could put whatever works for the gift recipient that you're making this for. You could easily put Nana or Grandma or Auntie, a friend's name. This is so customizable, and I really went about making this like the easiest way. I wanted to show you guys just the simple technique, but you could get really over the top with this. You could add a lot of things. This is a little set of fairy garden figures from the Dollar Tree. You find this in the gardening section. They have a really fun assortment of fairy garden items right now. I picked these because they're little. I knew they would fit nicely in the teacup. Just a couple little cute animals, and I'm putting them right in there. Things like mushrooms would be super cute as well. And here it is all set up. It's so pretty. I love both these projects. I'm not even sure which one's my favorite. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are going to try this, and give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more videos like this. Hit that red subscribe button, guys, so you don't miss out on future videos. I do really simple projects every single week. Happy Mother's Day. See you guys next time.